Good afternoon, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Flynn here from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate, where we are proud to be Knox's #1 estate agency. Currently here today at 388 Dorset Road in Boronia, circa 1930s, with a modern twist. This will be a short, sharp, aggressive marketing campaign. Let's get ready to rock and roll. For those of you who enjoy entertaining, then quite simply look no further, as this stunning home comes fully equipped with one of the most amazing kitchens that leads off beautifully through the bifold doors into this huge outdoor entertaining area, all of which lending itself perfect for the most fun-filled days with family and friends.